एक बाहेर जायचली
IPP
मीटिंग झाली न्हू काल.
I don't have the details now with me here, my dear. But it is already there. They've issued a press note. I had asked them to issue a press note. Huh?
काही येऊन ना अजून
It has come. One of the newspapers has published that. I saw.
media by
एक brief सांग, एक brief सांग सर.
after briefing
After briefing, I should have the number.
Okay.
ओके सर, दोन जर पंचायत दोन इश्यू आसा की एक सांगोर्डा आसा थंय जे म्हणटा की जी बायल आसा तेजो खंय तरी गो इंटरफियर
जाता
आनी सेकंड एक अक्षय पंचायतीन की एक्स MLA येवन परत बोवाळ बिवाळ घालता. सो ही दोन एज अ पंचायत मिनिस्टर तुमी कितें म्हणटा?
As a Panchayat minister, Panchayat should be allowed to function independently with the elected people. None of their relatives should be allowed to exert pressure. This has come to the notice of the government. Government is contemplating what exactly we can do. We will come out with something so that कोणाचो गो येवन थिंगा बसता, कोणाची बायल येवन बसता, कोणाचो भाव येवन बसता आनी डिसिजनां घेवपाक प्रयत्न करता. दिस इज नॉट फेअर टू द इलेक्टेड पीपल.
पंचायतीचे इन्स्पेक्शनाचे आसता तेन्ना देखून वयता सांगोडा वयता.
Very wrong. It is very wrong. I will send an official communication. I will bring it up officially. We have got powers. If they don't know to conduct themselves under Panchayati Raj Act, we can take action. So first I will issue them a warning. Right now I will pass on the instruction. So it has come to my notice.
And second thing, as an MLA representative, does he not has a right to go for Gram Sabhas and all?
See, I have specifically included recently to allow a MLA to participate in the Gram Sabha, but not to the extent what they are trying to do and trying to impose their will on the Panchayat members and the functioning of the Panchayat, which is totally wrong. Yeah.
So any new reforms, because फाटल्या दिसांनी पळय ट्रान्सफर आशिल्लो ऑफिस but फुडें स्टार्ट जाला पंचायती
Yeah, wherever there have been specific complaints, we have transferred people. It is very much effective.
So it's
That's
already
what some
started.
people don't know that it is effective.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.